Have you ever accidentally stained your skin with hair dye while coloring your hair? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will show you 9 easy and effective ways to remove those stubborn hair dye stains from your skin. Let's start quickly. Number 9. Baking soda toothpaste. First up, a simple trick using baking soda toothpaste. Opt for a non-gel toothpaste with baking soda. Apply it to the stain with your fingers, a soft washcloth or a soft bristle toothbrush. Gently rub the area for about 30 to 60 seconds. Wait 5 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Remember, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to skip this method as it can be a little abrasive. Number 8. Rubbing alcohol. Another great option is using rubbing alcohol. Dip a cotton ball in regular isopropyl alcohol and dab it gently onto the dry hair dye stain. Rinse the area with fresh water when finished. Keep in mind that alcohol can be drying and irritating, so avoid using it on your face, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. Number 7. Baking soda and dish soap. For your hands, try this paste made from baking soda and dish soap. Mix equal parts of liquid dish soap and baking soda to create a thick paste. Use a cotton ball to scrub the dried hair dye stain in small circles. Wash away the paste with warm water once you are done. Be careful as this exfoliant can be harsh on your skin. It's best to use it on your hands or the back of your neck, rather than sensitive areas like your face or ears. Number 6. Nail polish remover. If you got hair dye on your fingers, nail polish remover can be handy. Rub it onto the stain for about 30 seconds, then wash your hands well with soap and water. Remember, nail polish remover is harsh, so never use it on your face. Number 5. Reactivating hair dye. Surprisingly, adding more hair dye can help. Apply leftover hair dye to a cotton ball and dab it onto the dried stain. Rub it in a circular motion, then wash it away with soap and water. Don't let it sit too long though, as it might make the stain worse. This method is generally gentle enough for face, ears, neck and hands, but avoid it if the dried dye is irritating your skin. Number 4. Oil treatment. Oil can dissolve old dye stains effectively. Massage the stain with olive, coconut or baby oil and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Then wash it away with soap and warm water. Using a bandage or plastic wrap can prevent oily dye from staining your bed sheets. Number 3. Vinegar scrub. For a natural option, try vinegar. Pour some white vinegar onto a loofah or textured cloth and gently scrub the dye in small circles. The acidic vinegar may help break down the dye for easy removal. But be cautious, this method might be irritating for sensitive skin and should not be used near the eyes. Number 2. Glass cleaner trick. An unusual fix, but it works. Spritz a regular glass cleaner on your hands and rub them together for about 30 seconds. Then wash with warm water and soap. The dye should fade or even disappear. Avoid using glass cleaner on your face and don't use multi-purpose cleaner with potential skin-damaging chemicals. Number 1. Hair color stain remover. If all else fails, consider a hair color stain remover available in liquid or white form. Follow the label instructions carefully to avoid any skin irritation. Alternatively, you can seek help from a professional stylist for specialized products to clean up dried hair dye stains. This was all for now. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.